looking back, what has happened so far? Well, in February, I started a stream and I called it From Zero to Plex. And what I did there is I took a fresh alpha account and I took it from absolute scratch without any help to 9 billion in 3 months, essentially showing what the strategies are to get started in station trading and making sure you're making enough with station trading, about 15 to 20 minutes a day, to Plex your own account. There's a guide out there on YouTube that you can have a look at that explains the basic strategies that I employed. And then once that got a little boring because we had 9 billion and it wasn't really an alpha fund anymore, what happened is that we started the EIF investment fund, and the EIF investment fund is a way for everyone to profit and not just me as I'm investing my own money or making my own money from scratch. And so what we have with the EIF investment fund now is a set of investment funds with different investment strategies and different investment sums that you can invest in and watch your money grow or not grow, mostly grow, and watch along as I do it on stream and also on Discord with a dedicated chat channel where we have some some discussion about the investments that we do, etc. The way it works is that you can buy in at the current share price. At the beginning it was 100 million, but now that it has grown, in order not to dilute the value of the shares, just like a real life mutual fund, we have a current share price that is somewhere around 110, 120 million, depending on how the market is fluctuating. We track it on stream, and on the first of every month you can buy in and or cash out. Yeah, if you guys are interested in that, I will link the Discord, and you can go there and you can either wait for the transaction sheet that's coming up, and then contact me directly if you have any questions. Also, everyone in there pretty much now know, or most people there on the Discord already know all the details, so everyone will help you out. So where are we at right now? We are at 81 investors across 2 funds. We have 156 billion in the Omega fund, and we have 4.6 billion in the Alpha fund. The Alpha fund focuses on smaller markets that obviously have higher margins, because the smaller margins do mostly, and however it's limited in the investment, so you can only invest with 4 shares at a time, so just under 500 million ISK. That's why it's only 4.6 billion, and any larger and it's not really an alpha fund anymore, because I can't invest that much. And the Omega fund is a larger one that is 156 billion, and that's where everyone essentially is in. That's everything above 500 million investment up to 10 billion investment, and that's where we just employ essentially buy and hold mid to long term investing strategies. I'll do the questions after the little intro. I'm not ignoring your chat. I want to clip this later for YouTube. So now we're launching the Delta Fund. That's just today. Essentially, I'm presenting it today. I showed it this weekend on Discord, and we'll launch it on August 1st. And the Delta Fund is going to be, as opposed to the Alpha and Omega Fund, it's going to be off stream. It doesn't have anything to do with the stream directly. What it is a neutral backroom, I'm calling it, for high net worth individuals or capsuleers, so that we can discuss sizable investments across playstyles and alliances. It's just I've noticed that a very valuable part. K4 Osro, thank you for that sub, really appreciate it. Yeah, and you made it on YouTube now as well. And so what we'll do with it is, yeah, I've noticed that in the Discord community, there's a ton of really knowledgeable people. There's from the smallest alpha investor to the huge several hundred billion investor. There's everything there, and I've had such great conversations with a bunch of people out there in this cool community. And so I wanted to kind of pool that together and make sure that that is not wasted. So we'll do exactly that right now. I am collecting interest. So if you're interested in it, you can hit me up on the Discord and let me know you're interested in the Delta. We have a fund, a channel that is discussing the fund, and the next step is going to be talking about to the interested parties. And right now we have, I think, 10 or 15 of them. We'll talk about what different investments could be, and in the next few days, I'm going to say, okay, now let's put our money where our mouths are and we all invest. And then we'll close the channel to only those that have invested. And then we go ahead with whatever we decide to do. And that could be, cornering markets. It could be trading BPOs. It could be bulk contracts, loans, speculation, whatever. Anything goes, pretty much. Starting at 10 billion as a buy-in. The buy-in is going to be first of every month, just like the others, and cash out in that case will require prior notification because it could be quite large, right? So yeah. So in a nutshell, we have these three funds. We have the Alpha Fund that is for investments smaller than 500 million. We're looking at aggressive strategies that will net you about 30% profit a month. I can't guarantee that, just like in real life, but I'll show you right now on the stream kind of what we're achieving right now. And there you have, as an investor, you have very little impact on what it is that we're doing, obviously, because I'm just, I'm basically just showing you how to do it. I'm not asking for advice. On the Omega fund, we have everything that's larger than 500 million up to 10 billion. Right now, even higher, but those people might be moving out to Delta. I don't know. I'll leave it up to them. I'll keep the fund size below 200 billion, just because it's, at some point it just gets too much. It's just too much work investing everything, because I'm just station trading. And there the gains are going to be more like 10% a month, which is still for larger investments it's quite good. And also that's not guaranteed. It's whatever. I'm doing my best. This is all I'm doing when I'm playing EIF, pretty much. Yeah, and then Delta I just explained. Cool. All right. Thanks for sticking with me there. I just wanted to make sure that I explained this once, because I didn't have a video yet where I did the entire thing, and also we had a lot of questions on the Discord about this. So I hope that now it's clear to everyone and we can move on. So let me catch up with chat.